Does your account look like this, and you want to get it to this? Well, I think I might be able to help you out. You see, this is my account 4 months ago, and this is how it looks like now. You might think that there's a secret tactic to reaching millions of eyes, and trust me, I was one of these people who thought they would never make it online. But the truth is, you're closer than you might think. On June 7th, I'm giving you access to a one-time opportunity to join hundreds of artists on a journey to get better and take your account to the next level. During these 8 weeks, I'll provide you with the necessary steps you need to take. You'll meet fellow creators along the way, and at the end, perhaps triple your follower count. Those who stick till the very end will be granted special rewards and perks, but I can't really spoil too much. Submissions will be closed on the so if you'd like to take part, now is the time. I can't wait to see what you'll be creating.
Good morning, it's 6:15 AM in the morning. I posted my first reel here on my personal account and we have over 1.3k views. That's insane, like, look at that. Let's look at the analytics. It's got 42 likes, 13 saves and 15 comments.